JMeter can be used to test performance of A. Only static resources. B. Only dynamic resources. C. Both static and dynamic. D. None of the above. And correct answer is option C, both static and dynamic. JMeter helps in the performance testing of both static and dynamic resources. Static resources like HTML and JavaScript, and dynamic resources such as JSP, servlets, and AJAX. Select invalid timer in JMeter. A. Uniform random timer. B. Gaussian random timer. C. Constant timer. D. Continue timer. And correct answer is option D, continue timer. A timer in JMeter is a test element that pauses JMeter thread for a set amount of time to simulate a virtual user's think time. Here are some types of timers in JMeter. Uniform random timer, constant timer, precise throughput timer, constant throughput timer, bean shell timer, JSR223 timer, Gaussian random timer, synchronizing timer, Poisson random timer. Select controller which makes the user request run with a specified number of times. A. Random controller. B. Loop controller. C. Logic controller. D. Recording controller. And correct answer is option B, loop controller. The loop controller will run the sampler's request stored in it for a definite number of times or forever. Which of the following is not a JMeter sampler? A. MongoDB script. B. Debug sampler. C. HTTP request. D. Monitor results. And correct answer is option D, monitor results. The monitor results is not a JMeter sampler because it is used for monitoring and collecting performance metrics of the server under test, rather than simulating user actions or generating load. Which assertion is not used in JMeter? A. Duration. B. Size. C. XML. D. Web. And correct answer is option D, Web. The different types of assertions in JMeter include response assertions, duration assertions, size assertions, XML assertions, bean shell assertions, MD5 hex assertions, HTML assertions, XPath assertions, XML schema assertions, BSF and JSR223 assertions, compare assertions, SMIME assertions.